In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the Blobs plugin in Figma to enhance your design projects seamlessly. Let's start by installing this fantastic plugin from the Figma community. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the community section. You can find this in the top left corner of the Figma window, where you can explore a wide range of plugins and resources contributed by the Figma community. Once you're there, type Blobs into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a list of related plugins, and you should select the one simply called Blobs. It's a popular choice among designers for creating organic customizable shapes. Click on the plugin to open its detailed view. Here you can read through the description and user reviews to get a sense of its capabilities and how others have used it. When you're ready, click the Install button to add the Blobs plugin to your Figma plugins library. Once the installation is complete, it's just a matter of running it from the Plugins menu. You can access this menu by right-clicking anywhere in your project, hovering over Plugins, and selecting Blobs from the list of your installed plugins. This will launch the plugin interface where you can begin creating your own unique blobs. Now let's dive into customizing your blob shapes. The Blobs plugin offers several parameters that allow you to adjust your blobs according to your design needs. Start by looking at the options for complexity and size. The complexity setting determines how intricate or simplistic your blob will be. A higher complexity will give your blob more curves and points, resulting in a more detailed shape. Conversely, reducing the complexity will produce a more straightforward, smoother blob. Experimenting with this can give you a wide range of artistic possibilities. Adjusting the size parameter is equally intuitive. You can make your blob larger or smaller depending on how much space in your design project you'd like it to take up. Feel free to play around with these settings until you find the perfect blob for your current design. Remember, there are no set rules here, so let your creativity guide you. Once you're satisfied with the shape, you can insert the blob into your design. To do this, simply click the Add to Canvas button within the plugin. The blob will appear in your design, and from here, the fun really begins. You can style your blob with a variety of colors and effects to make it stand out. Consider using Figma's fill options to add vibrant colors or gradients, and explore the effects like drop shadows or blurs if you want your blob to have a particular look or feel. Through these creative choices, your blobs can become more than just shapes. They can complement your design in meaningful and visually appealing ways. And there you have it. You're now equipped to enhance your Figma projects with the Blobs plugin. This tool is a great